Hello everybody, it's Joe the Computer Scientist here, and I made a Tic-Tac-Toe program. So one day, I was sitting on the couch, and I was watching Bro Code, and I was like, wow, this is really cool. And I saw something pop up in my recommended, make Tic-Tac-Toe in C. And I was like, oh, that's cool. I wonder how this logic is, because I've seen people make a Tic-Tac-Toe program, but I never actually understood how they would make it. And I kind of thought it was out of my skill level. And I watched the video and was like, oh, it's actually not that bad. So without further ado, let's hop on into Vim, not even VS Code. Let's hop into Vim. And I'm just gonna run the program first. So as you can see, do you want to play Tic-Tac-Toe? Yes or no? And we just say yes. And do you want to be X or O? The X has to be capital, so I'm going to be X. Now, I'm going to explain the logic of this as we go through, but basically it's a matrix. It's a 3x3 matrix, and if I put 0 for the row and 0 for the column, that's going to be the upper left-hand corner. And I have the computer automatically, placing we're just making their move. I used to have it to where, like, if a spot was taken, it would ask me to try again. It still does for me, but I also had it doing it for the computer. So I would have 17 different oh, that spot's taken, try again. And I was like, why is it doing that? But it's because of the computer. But yeah, whatever. But now let's see that if I do 0, 1, and I'm about to win, 0, 2, and look, you won. Do you want to play again? Yes or no? I can hit no, and it makes me exit. If I hit yes, it'll start the whole game over. Now, let's actually go into this program and let's go over the code. So, as you can see, I have 6 functions. Yes, I have 6 functions. 1 to reset the board, 1 to print the board, 1 to check the free spaces. If there's no free spaces left, then 9 times out of 10 it's a tie. Players, the player move. So this is my move. If I hit 0, 0, it'll put it in that spot. Same thing for the computer, but it's for the computer. And then check winner, which checks if there's a winner. Now I'm going to skip main, right? Let's go right into my first function, reset board. So for this, I just kind of create a matrix and I set each spot to null, or just empty char, just this, a blank space right there. And then print board prints that board. This is just the layout of the board itself, and I have position here. Oh, also I named the board, I didn't name the board position, but I named the matrix position. And it's also, I don't think I made it a global variable, but yeah, I put it inside of main. So I pass that into every single function, and I have that position where it should be. So this is just an empty board at the moment. Then I have check free spaces right here, where there should be 9 free spaces when you first start the game, and then every time a player goes, it checks free spaces, and if it's not just an empty character, then that it subtracts the count from the free spaces, which is that. Now, player move. This is where we start to have a little bit of fun, I guess. So you enter your row and your column, for your matrix, and then while row is greater than basically while everything that you entered is not possible, it's going to tell you to try again, and then once it actually is possible and is not taken, then it prints your position to the board. And then it's the same thing for computer move, except it doesn't ask it to do it again, because it doesn't have to, because it's a computer. You just redo it by itself. It doesn't have to get a message. It's not a human. No, it's getting a random number from 0 to 2. It's getting 3 numbers in total, and yeah, it's just getting a random set of numbers and making those the position. Now I have check winner. I have an if else for every possibility that there is, basically, for either comp or you, so the computer or yourself. And I just have return y here if nobody won yet. So yeah, I just kind of had something there. You know, don't return anything that's either user or comp. But yeah, yeah, this is pretty much the entire program. I have char, u, and comp. This is just extra or o. And then it asks you if he wants to play. You guys saw that already. And then your answer is, you know, yes or no. And then it asks you if you want to be extra o. And then basically, if you pick X, then the computer's going to be 0. But if you pick 0, then the computer's just going to be, you know, that's just otherwise, and it's going to be X by default. And then I have the position. I'm sorry, I'm creating the 2D array, and then I reset the board to, you know, have everything be null. And then while check free spaces is not 0, then and also check winner does not equal Y, then, you know, we go play the game. First you make your move, then we check free spaces again, and then, you know, basically if free spaces is that, and, you know, same thing, then the computer moves, because you got to check every time because it can always change. Then after both of you go, we check the winner. There's no winner, it just keeps going. Once there is a winner, you know, and if it's U, then, or if it's X, then it's U, and if it's O, or whichever you choose, you guys get the entire gist. And yeah, it just asks you if you want to play again. If you hit no, it returns 0, it exits. If you hit yes, starts all over again. And that is rock, paper, scissors in C++. With that being said, thank you for watching my video, and I appreciate all the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My name on Instagram is jordanthecs.js. My name on Twitter is jordanthecs. And don't forget to join my Discord. The link is in the description. And I will see all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because